Welcome to the Regent's Hotel, one of Taipei's most luxurious hotels. If you're looking for a top-tier comfort, world-class dining, and breathtaking city views, this is the place to be. Let's check it out. Located in the heart of Taipei's Zhongshan district, the Regent's welcomes you with timeless elegance. The lobby is the perfect blend of modern luxury and traditional Taiwanese aesthetics, setting the tone for your stay. Plus, you can often enjoy live performances like soothing piano music and elegant vocal showcases, adding to the sophisticated atmosphere.
10,000개요.
The rooms here are designed with comfort in mind, spacious, serene, and sophisticated. They offer stunning views of Taipei 101 and the bustling city below. They also use a giant key. Welcome to the Regent Taipei. Here is the bathroom. Look, we got a bidet, we got a shower room along with a bath towel, along with a bidet over here. Okay, sanitary bag. Okay, there's a little TV. There's another towel for the blow dryer. Here's that. Here's me. There is, open this. Okay, bunch of things: shavers, combs, toothbrush, lotion, the Regent's water, and here is the nice tub right here, the bathtub. That's right, so we have a bathtub with a little pillow and a little rubber ducky. Moving on, here is a bunch of mirrors. When we look what we have, a Nespresso espresso machine. Yes, that's right. And let's look here. More coffee and tea and a wine opener. And a fridge that is logoed. Let me see that. There you go. And there's drinks inside as well in the fridge, along with 2 more bottles of water. Going here is the king size bed. Left of the king size bed, we have, you think this is a closet? Actually, yes, it is a closet that lights up when you open it. And it has another bath towel. The safe is in here. I think if there's any more stuff, oh yes, there is more stuff. Sleeping attire and shoe cleaning kits. Okay. Going out, we have the living room space. I got upgraded, big TV, and I got upgraded because of well, we are I'm a member, so we do have a welcome kit right here. These are the benefits of being a platinum elite at the Regents. We get an upgrade, and we get a free bottle of drink. We got some fresh fruits on the table waiting for us. Okay, and there we go. And here is the view of, let's look at what's over here actually. Just writing pad and things like that. But look at the exclusive view on the 18th floor, one of the highest floor we have, because there's what, 20 floor up here, or 21 floor, so it's almost the highest floor we can get. It's raining quite hard, but here is the Regent's Taipei, a 5-star hotel experience. Foodies, this one's for you. The Regent boasts a range of exquisite dining options, whether you're craving for authentic Taiwanese food, Japanese cuisine, international flavors, or a decadent buffet at the Brasserie, your taste buds are in for a treat. As for me, I got the breakfast buffet at the Brasserie, and it was amazing experience. It has different kinds of food, whether you're into Taiwanese congee for breakfast or you want some American bacon and sausage. It's all readily available. There are also some made to order options as well, and there are freshly baked bakery items. Definitely try it if you are staying at this hotel. And right beneath the hotel, you'll find the Regent Galleria, an underground luxury mall featuring some of the world's most prestigious brands. It's a shopper's paradise, perfect for indulging in a bit of a retail therapy without even leaving the hotel. The Regent Hotel Taipei isn't just a place to stay, it's an experience. From luxurious comfort to gourmet dining, live entertainment, high end shopping, it embodies the best of what Taipei has to offer. And it's also located in a great location close to the metro and the heart of the city. So if you've enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tasty travel adventures. See you in the next one.